Here we are in the Fiumicino. We're just leaving from our hotel and going to get a car on rent because taxis are very expensive here and getting car on rent is relatively cheaper. So for example, I took a taxi from from airport to my hotel. It was around 6 kilometers and uh, they charged 60 euros. Yes. And when I went back to the airport from the same hotel on Uber, they charged 16 euros. And the car you can get on rent for the full day in around 50 euros. So it's way cheaper to get a car on rent rather than just using taxi. So this is our plan. We are going to get a taxi on rent. We've already booked 50 euros. It's a Ford Focus, I guess. Finally, we have got a car on rent, but there are a couple of things that you need to take care of. Like they will ask for an international driving license. It's better to have an international driving license. If you don't have that, you can use your national license, but they may accept or they may not accept, and police can definitely penalize you. And second thing is that you should have a credit card in your name to pay the deposit for the fuel of the car, because you need to return the car at the same fuel gauge. So make sure you have a credit card in your name because they will need a deposit for this one. And this is the car that we have got on rent.